Here is video 5 of Automation Explained. Using automation for convenience. Today, I will show you how a remotely operated door lock can be used to let your kids, your neighbor, or someone you trust into your home. With automation, you can let a friend, family member, repairman in while you're away. With the added use of a camera, you can also verify and speak to them in person as they are in the home. Let me show you. Here is an automated deadbolt. Here is my tablet. Also, we have a remote control. So the lock can be used via the remote. Like that. Also, there is automation. So what we can do here, we have our tablet open to the app. We'll go to front lock, closed, white light. Simple with a toggle. On would be locked. Green light. We'll go ahead and unlock it. There you go. With the added convenience of the camera, we have real-time photo in the home. You can actually, with the use of the arrows, turn it, go down, up. There you go. You can turn, speak, and hear, all with the camera, all in the same app. You also have the opportunity of using the keypad on the front. And a key. So there's many options here. You can work it with timers, anything you can imagine. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, since we're done in here, let's go ahead and turn off these lights. We'll go to our room. Go to the living room. Go to the recess lighting. Off. And we're dark. Thank you for watching.